Welcome back to Mason's ADV. Ride along with us as we explore off the beaten path, head out for some adventure bike camping, and keep you updated on modifications and new gear for adventure riding. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any adventures. Glad to have you along for the ride.
Well, good morning everyone, Mason here. Do have to say the KLR sounds great this year. Just running fantastic. First thing is the website's fully up and running. It's now like it's searchable on Google. It truly exists without just having the address to go there. There now is a support page, which several of you have been using over the winter, and I just wanted to send out a big thank you to those of you that have. And I'm sure you've received, or hopefully you've received, the little care package in the mail that I send out when that happens. That stuff, you know, guys, I mean, cost is cost. It is what it is. I save my money up for my mods and my repairs and my maintenance, but running the channel itself it's not cheap. It's not inexpensive. So, and that's where that money goes. I joke all the time about buying us a coffee, or you know, maybe it'll buy us a round of beer, but that truly doesn't happen. That money goes right back in, helps pay back some of the camera gear that I've purchased, and it goes a long way towards helping us out. It's a lot of gear, and we try to do the best we can with it. So thank you to all of you. The other thing you're going to see there is a new tab called merch, and this is pretty exciting for me because I've had a lot of comments about that over the last 3 years, but specifically more over the last year. Guys wondering when they could possibly get their hands on a t-shirt. So there's 2 t-shirts up there for you to have a look at. One has the logo, and for those of you that are more minimalistic like myself, there's one that just has Mason's ADV on it. So head on over, check that out. Oh, the other thing I should mention is there's a mug on there too, a white one. And that is just about perfect for Sunday morning, I would imagine. So there you have it. That's pretty much got us caught up. I haven't seen Melon up yet. We haven't ridden together yet. His bike is out. He has a list of mods that he wants to do to it, but we'll go over that when he gets up here. Pretty exciting to see what he's doing to the 250. Benham's back. He's got some stuff on order for his too. It's taking a while to come in, so we haven't seen it yet, but still, when that goes on, those of you that have 701s out there, I think are going to be pretty keen to have a look at this. And then we're going to just try to get out camping as much as we possibly can. We're going to do just a couple overnights here to get the season rolling. And again, in the fall, we're hoping to continue on with our TCAT adventure. Do another leg of that. That footage, again, I'll likely save for over the winter time. But just so you know, those things are coming up. Anyway, today's ride is just about getting out and getting used to the bike again. Well, that set of Twisties was beautiful. It was hardly an aggressive hack at the pavement, but I'll tell you, it's not doing anything twitchy or weird. It's actually handling just beautifully. So here we go, second set of Twisties, just long sweepers. Nothing aggressive. Road's a little damp too, but it just sits in nice. I think it's too warm for any of this to be real slippery, but I am hedging my bet a bit there, guys, in case you wonder why I'm handsying out. Here we go. Nice. So much fun. So good to be out. Look at the water. pretty cool, so the ground didn't have much of a chance to dry out. And then we quite seriously just had 3 days of rain. And it has nowhere to go. The ground won't absorb anymore. It's absolutely saturated. So it's all just sitting on top and running off into the creeks and streams. A lot of the little trails are just so mucky right now. I think we'll likely avoid most of that today. Bugs! There's bugs on my visor! And on the windscreen. Look! Oh no! The bug season has begun. It's okay, we'll take it. We'll take it if it means it's warm. What a great day. All right. Let's see how it soaks up these bumps. What bumps? Holy cow. I'm actually trying to hit potholes. Oh my goodness. Guys. Wow. Maybe I missed them all. It certainly didn't feel like I was riding over them. It's actually hard to explain. But I'm riding over the potholes and there's very little transfer to the motorcycle. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Deep. Yeah, there's almost no sag in the rear when you accelerate now, and that's something that always was. It's strange, the bike just keeps that attack plane. It's great. Oh my goodness, it's so great. This is one of the little parkettes sort of out along this road that runs along the shoreline of Georgian Bay. We're on Georgian Bay side. Let's go have a look. Kind of a nice spot, some picnic tables. Covered in area. Someone's already moved one down to the beach. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that water. Man, crystal. All right, let's see if we can get the name of this little parkette for you guys. Nice stop. Nice to have a look down at the water. Cedar Hill Park. And the big climb here up one of the escarpment faces. Then we'll run along the top of that one. Here for a bit. So on this side we have an escarpment face. Let's see if it shows up in the camera. So that's one layer. We're riding on another one, and then that next escarpment face is right there, the other side of that wall at the Jane Miller Lookout. drops down, and then there's another little flat spot before the water, which is where we were down at the bottom there at Cedar Park. They're fairly high. A lot of great rock climbing in this area. Actually, that's something all three of us used to do. What do you think, guys? Pretty cool, eh? However, that's also what keeps the temperature down for us. Which in the spring, in the fall, that's fantastic. Man, tonight would be a great night for camping. Tomorrow's supposed to be warm too, but today's Sunday. Gotta work in the morning. So as we let the water recede around here a little bit, you guys ride safe wherever you are. Thank you very much for watching. Mind how you go, and I'll catch you on the next one. That's it for me. Bye for now. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.